Hello, today I will show you how to send cryptocurrency from MetaMask to Binance. We go to Binance and click on Wallet in the upper right corner and choose Fiat and Spot. Now find your cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw from MetaMask. I will withdraw wrapped Ethereum cryptocurrency. When you have found desired cryptocurrency, click on Deposit button. Now need choice network. Which network is suitable for a particular currency you can find in Google. Click Get Address. Now you have received address of your Binance to this cryptocurrency to which you will send this cryptocurrency from MetaMask. Copy address and go to MetaMask. Let's expand MetaMask to full screen. Choose the desired cryptocurrency and click Send. Paste address. Enter amount that you want to withdraw or click on Maximum to withdraw all cryptocurrency from this account and click Next. Here you will see how much gas you have to pay for withdrawal. If you agree, click Confirm. If you don't have enough funds to pay for gas, a button will be inactive, but when gas drops, the button will become active and you will be able to confirm operation. To see a transaction was confirmed, you need to go to Etherscan. Confirm may take a few minutes. That's all. Have a good day and take care.